exciting news, my new book, Wedding Photography After 1,000 Weddings, is actually number 1 on Amazon at the time of release, which is crazy. So thank you everyone that's already picked it up. And the audiobook is coming to Audible soon. It's a longer approval process than I anticipated. And if you pick up either the Kindle version or the physical version and you review it and send me a screenshot of the review to my email right here, I will send you the audiobook for free. So if you buy this, you get the audiobook for free. And then you get to put a thing on your shelf. And in other exciting news, if you're interested in coming to the book launch party, it's going to be at WPPI in Las Vegas on March 6th. From 5 to 7 p.m. If you're interested in coming, there's a link in the description below and you'll get the full, it's going to be in the focal suite. We're doing a bunch of grilled cheese evenings. So if you like grilled cheese, come on through. It'll be lit and smoky with grilled cheese. So maybe wear a sweater that you want to throw in the trash immediately. I don't know how humid it's going to get in there. Maybe that's a concern. We should buy a dehumidifier. But in the link, you will get access to all of the focal events we're doing. We're doing celebrity grilled cheese evenings. So Sam Hurd's going to be doing an evening. Carolyn Tran's going to be doing an evening. Scott Robert Lim. Ike, Photo Me Ike, you might know him from YouTube, as well as Lindsay is going to be doing a breakfast. So there's 5 different events we're doing with Focal, as well as Focal Nautic Conference, the mini one in Las Vegas. And if you're interested in that, maybe send Focal a DM over on Instagram because there are still, I think, a few spots available. But because the event is on the 4th, they're not really marketing it. So send them a DM if you're interested in coming, or send me a DM and I can connect you with the people that you need to talk to get it on that event if you are in Las Vegas on March 4th. So yeah, pick up the book in your local Amazon dealer and send me a screenshot of a review and I will send you the audiobook for free once it's up. They told me 10 days. It was 5 days ago. So I'm hoping it comes up soon. Really want to do this all at the same time, but sometimes life just doesn't go your way. Like the past month where I've been unable to record videos because there was an issue with some laundry detergent. I'm better now. I'll also be doing a book signing at WPPI at the Imogen booth, on the 8th from 1 to 2 p.m. Check their Instagram if things change. I don't think they're going to change at this point. I feel like everything's pretty solid. So 1 p.m., I'll be there. 2 p.m., Lindsay will be at the Imogen booth. So come on, hang out, get a book signed if you want. There's 30 free books available at that signing. So if you come, Imogen has purchased 30 books. So if you're one of the first 30, you get free book and you get it signed, which is nice. I'll have to buy a pen. If you have any suggestions for pens, feel free to put them below. Link in the description to all the Focal events. And I will hopefully see you at WPPI, where I'll have a microphone that works and I won't have to use my phone. But I don't know, it's kind of fine.